What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Team back again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money using CPA affiliate marketing. And stick with me, I'm going to walk you guys through how to do that perfectly and start getting results immediately. So before that, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Don Tim, and this is my YouTube channel, and I do videos ranging from how to make money online and cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and a whole bunch of other money related topics. And please, if you find my content interesting, make sure you drop a like, and also please subscribe to the channel because we are growing, right? So with that being said, let's quickly start the video. So first of all, come to your search box, input this free PLR downloads, right? So once you click on that, just click on the very first one that will pop up, and it will take you to this site. So this is actually an ebook site, right? This is where you get to see a whole bunch of ebooks ranging from any niche that you're looking for, weight loss, softwares, a whole bunch of ebooks, even video materials. It is actually present on this site. So just go ahead and search for the one that you're looking for, depending on the niche that you want to venture into, but that doesn't really matter. If you look closely here, we have diction, advertising, affiliate marketing, Amazon, article marketing, business, a whole bunch of them, internet marketing, health, network marketing, a whole bunch of niches that you can think of. All of them are present on this site. Just look for the one that suits your passion the most. Just go ahead and select it, and then once you find the one that you're looking for, right? Let's say let's just choose one for an example. So online entrepreneur motivation, let's go ahead and click on it. All right, so once you find the one that you're looking for, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to the download page. Just scroll down to where you have this download button. So click on it. If you click on it, it's going to download the ebook to your device. So if you look right here, this ebook is currently downloading, and it's downloaded already, I guess, right? Okay, it's downloaded already. So once you've downloaded it, just stick with me, leave it right there. So stick, go to another search bar, or rather open another window, and once you've done that, just input this keyword Google Drive. So Google Drive is actually an online cloud that's owned by Google, like the name implies. So Google Drive, the first link that will pop up, just go ahead and click on it. All right, allow it to load. So once it loads, this is the first interface that will pop up, right? As you can see, this is one of my Google Drive. I have a whole bunch of emails, and as you guys can see, I have a whole bunch of things that I've uploaded right here. So this is actually my landing page and a whole bunch of other things, and I have a whole bunch of landing pages, both paid and free, because Google renders the most free services, and that's why I have this one created right here. So for you to get started, go ahead and click on this. Okay, have my new and everything is just intact. So once you come up to this interface, probably you don't have anything uploaded in your drive, so everything might look empty. But my own, I already have something. That's why I'm having this. So just go ahead and click on new, right? If you click on new, just go ahead and click on folder or file upload, depending on the one you want to upload. I'm going to go ahead and click on file upload, because the download we just made is a file, right? We downloaded the file. Just go ahead and click on file upload, right? Allow it to bring up your explorer. Okay, this is it. Here we go. So go to your download. So double tap on the one you downloaded. That's the one we downloaded. And once you double tap, okay, if you look right here, it's currently uploading. Allow it to upload. Finishing upload. Boom, our upload is complete. As you can see, this is our upload and it's complete. So what you have to do is to just go ahead and refresh the page. Refresh the page, right? Just wait for it. Takes a couple of seconds to reload and stuff. So it just reloaded, and if you look right here, we have online entrepreneur motivation zip file. We just uploaded it, right? So once you upload it, just double tap on it. Double tap on it, a page is gonna pop up. Boom, this is the page that is gonna pop up. Come right here, this three dotted line or whatever, just click on it. Okay, once you click on it, just click on share. This pop up and allow it to load. Okay, once it has loaded, just go ahead and click on copy the link, copied. All right, link copy. Just open a new window, just type this thing immediately, add work typing another thing, add work media. Make sure you get whatever I'm telling you, add work media, right? You might not get the whole thing at a very first glance. Just go ahead and rewatch the video. If you don't get the whole thing, you get everything. So type add work media, right? It's a content locking website for CPA marketing. In case if you don't know what CPA marketing means cost per action. I'm supposed to say all of this right at the beginning of the video, but hey, if you made it to this extent, I'm telling you already, CPA marketing means cost per action. And what it actually means is this: we are going to be hiding this value under a link, and when people get to click on it, you're going to make money doing that. Right, so just clicking alone will make you $1 to $2 depending on the program we're actually promoting. Just go ahead and click on it. I'm not really going to guide you guys on how to register. It's quite simple. If you're new to the platform, just go ahead and click on get started. You can use any site to get started, right? Just go ahead and click on get started. Let me just go ahead and guide you guys a little bit before I will log into one of my accounts that I actually created for this video. I've not used it to work, right? So if you're new to the platform, this is where you're gonna click on join. I'm actually gonna be dropping the whole link down there in the comment section and also in the description section. If you want to register, you can use the link down there to register. Some of the links down there are actually my affiliate links, and yeah, so go ahead and register. You can put in your name, your surname, that's your last name, right? Create your password. This is actually my email. Okay, input the name of your company, that's not compulsory. Then input your city address, your zip code, your local government, and everything, right? If you are from any country you're into, just go ahead and select it. I'm from Nigeria, that's why my own is here by default. Input your number. Make sure that everything you're inputting right here is very correct, right? Don't input any fake whatever. Don't use VPN to register. It's available in almost all the whole countries. Okay, so once you're done, if it comes to this website, just copy any website at all, input it right here. It must be approved, right? It doesn't necessarily mean that it must belong to you. Just input one is enough. If you have two websites, you can input two, but I will advise you to input only one is enough. Then input your promotional method. Just go ahead and input things that will convince someone that hey, this means I'm going to be promoting this thing from, right? So just go ahead and verify that you know your robot, accept all these terms and conditions, and go ahead and submit the application. If you fill the whole thing correctly, you'll be accepted immediately. So let me go ahead and log into this account and walk you guys through how you can actually set up your own CPA program and start promoting it. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually promote your link and also make massive money. You're going to get free traffic. It's actually a black hat method that will get you the whole thing done. Right, we're actually going to be playing on people to get them click on it, and then we'll make money doing that. Just stick with me. So once you've come up to this page, go ahead and click on this tool, come to link locker. Right, click on link locker. Right, if you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Just go ahead and click on new link locker profile. Okay, if it's okay to load and bring you to this page, and this is where you get to see a whole bunch of things. Just for me, I would advise you leave everything right here the way it is, allow it to remain the way it is, right? So just come right here, leave this one and download some mobiles alone. Leave everything they have right here the way it is, right? Everything right here, just allow it to be the same this, and come to text. Here you can input anything you want. Your file is ready to download or whatever you want. Maybe your $1 million ebook is ready. Click here. Whatever that you think that might convince people to get to click on your link, or get to submit your emails, whatever they want to submit on the site, just go ahead and input it right there, and they are good to go, right? I just want this video to be quick. That's why I'm kind of rushing things and stuff. So just to be active, the name, okay, you get to input the name. This is the one I've used before, millionaire self-made ebook. Just input the title of the one you want to promote. So go ahead and do that, and once you're done with everything, get back to general setting and then click on create link locker. Okay, it has actually loaded, and boom, this is it. Right, this is the page that is going to bring you up to, and scroll down, right? Okay, this is actually the account, the new account that I created. They have not really done a lot on this. So once it brings you to this page, once you've gotten to this page, go ahead and click on this, right? Claim this HCT. Now remember that link will copy it right from here, right? In case you've not copied it, just go ahead and copy it again, right? If you copy it, just return back to this page and then tap on this and paste it right here. So once you paste it, just go ahead, leave this on default, go ahead and shorten and monetize it. Right, so once you've done that, it will show you this success. Your short URL is this, and you can go ahead and copy it from here. Just copy it, copy. Right, you've copied it and you've gotten it. So stick with me, let me walk you guys through how you can actually use this black hat method I'm going to show you guys to actually get people to click on it. And most especially, we are looking for people from United States of America, because that's where I will make the most money out of. Right, so United States of America, UK, Canada, Australia, these are the people that we are actually targeting, because they're the one that will make us the most amount of money when we do things correctly, or when they get to click and submit their emails and stuff. So go ahead to this website called Fiverr. If you've been following my site, I believe most of you will have an account on Fiverr, and most people will know this Fiverr that I'm talking about. So once you got into Fiverr, go ahead and type ebook writer. Right, let me refresh it because I actually opened this some minutes ago. Right, refresh it. Okay, I've actually refreshed it. Right, so go ahead and type in ebook writer. Okay, once you've typed in ebook writer, now what you have to do is this: come to this and tick online sellers, so that it will show us people that are actually online, because we want to start making money immediately. We want to make maximum use of this and then get started immediately. All right, these are the people that are currently online. We're going to limit it to only people from United States of America. So let's go to sellers. Okay, so go ahead and click on United States, then Canada, UK, and Germany. Just don't tick Germany, just go ahead and apply. Okay, apply, boom. Okay, these are people from where we are actually targeting. Right, these are the locations that we're actually targeting, and I think we are good to go. So what you have to do is this: open as much as possible profiles that you want to open. Just go ahead and right click, depending on the device you're using, open, open as much as possible. You can open 200,000, you can open 200, you can open 100, you can open 50. You can open everything that we have right here. Right, you can open everything right here, and I'm going to show you guys what to actually do. Right, so let's say you open them, and this is the one you opened. So come right down here and to where you have contact me. So go ahead and tap on contact me. Now what you're gonna do is this: be like, hey, her name is Andrea Serene or whatever. Let's go ahead and type, hey, Andrea Serene. I'm not able to type this because I'm using one of my hands to hold the camera and stuff, the mic and stuff. So go ahead and type, hey, Andrea Serene. My company is actually starting a project that requires a very comprehensive ebook, and my company is ready to offer $100 recurring payment. Right, just go ahead and tell them something that will make them to accept a deal. Right, tell them that the company is actually offering $100 on recurring payment. And what's going to happen is this: you're gonna tell them that the whole project is hidden under a link which they are going to click on. All right, they're going to click on it to get the whole project. So what you're going to do is this: after telling them the whole thing, just go ahead and copy the link you've got from this AdWork Media. Remember, copy this link, right? Copy it to your clipboard, then come back to the Fiverr. Right, after telling her the whole thing, send it to her. Once you send it to her, go ahead and wait. Right, go to another person, copy and paste the whole thing, then change the person's name, come to seller, contact seller, and change the person's name. Just add her name to the whole write-up. Right, send it to her, send it to all the whole people that you have opened. Then you wait. Anyone that replies you, of course, you promise them that you're going to give them $100 recurring. So that means they keep writing and you keep paying them $100. So it's a very juicy one. Remember, this is a black hat method. It's not really a legitimate way of making it, but just giving you a quick way of actually making it through this black hat method. So what's going to happen is this: once they reply that they're interested, go ahead and paste your link for them. Tell them that this is where the project is actually in. They will have to tell them that they will pass through a survey, and once they are done with the survey, right, once they are done with the survey, they'll get to see the project and tell you their own price. So once they tell you their price, just tell them that once they're done with the whole survey that they should tell you their price. And yeah, so once they click on it, they'll get to complete the survey. Right, once they complete the survey, you make your money from AdWork Media. AdWork Media will pay you $1 to $5 to any amount depending on the program you're actually promoting. So allow her to reply, allow the person to reply, and once they agree to the whole terms, then give them this link, they'll click on it, do the survey, you make your money. The only thing here is that you're not going to reply them again, you're not going to reply back again, because you've actually gotten what you want and you're not offering any service to them. So do it for the old tabs that you've opened, and once they get to click and complete the action, you make your money. Remember, this is a CPA affiliate program, and CPA is cost per action. So once they click on it and take action by submitting their emails and doing a survey and doing all of those things, you're making your money. So we are not actually offering service to them. So just imagine you open 100 tabs, and that's 100 profiles, and send them this whole message, and luckily for you, half of them accepts. That's $50, assuming the program you are promoting is actually paying us $1. And I believe most of them actually pay more when the people are coming from the United States of America. So that is it for this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And this is actually a method that I've actually used and it works. Alright, so go ahead and do it, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please remember to stay safe and follow me on Instagram, and also subscribe, because currently I'm going to be much more consistent than I used to be before. And with that being said, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.